Hi everyone. Welcome back to KAVU Creative. In this tutorial, we're going to build a unique geometric pattern using a few simple tools in Adobe Illustrator. This design is called Kitefold. Starting with simple shapes, we'll create a flowing pattern with a clean and balanced look. Alright, let's begin. Start by double-clicking the Artboard tool to bring up its settings. In the Display section, enable Show Center Mark. Now click OK. For this design, we'll use the stroke only. First, remove the fill color. Now select the rectangular grid tool. Hold the Alt key and click on the center mark. Set both the width and height to 250 pixels. Set the horizontal dividers to 5. Set the vertical dividers also to 5. Then click OK. Select the pen tool. Hold Shift and draw the straight lines. When you're done, hold the Control key and click outside the artwork. Select all the shapes. Now choose the Shape Builder tool. Convert the stroke to a fill. When the plus symbol appears, click and drag across the shapes to merge them together. Keep merging the shapes until you get the shape we need. Right-click and select Ungroup. Select all. Hold down Shift and click the part you want to keep. Now press Delete to clear away the extra lines. Select each shape. Use the Eyedropper tool and choose your colors. Hold Ctrl to select. Then release and continue. Select the complete design. Choose the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click right at the center. Enter 90 degrees. For the rotation, click Copy. Press Ctrl D twice, and the pattern is complete. Select the entire design. Go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are checked. Then click OK. Next, open the Pathfinder panel and select Divide. Pick the Magic Wand tool and click the black border. Press Delete to clear the border. And that's Kitefold. Simple construction with a bold geometric finish. If you enjoyed the process, give the video a like and subscribe to KAVU Creative. Keep exploring new shapes and keep creating.